Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring one of Ontario's hidden gems, Port Dover. Nestled on the north shore of Lake Erie, this charming town is known for its stunning beach, delicious food, and vibrant community. Let's dive in and see what makes Port Dover so special.
Turn right to stay on Britannia Road. Left onto Derry Road West, Alton Regional Road 7.
Our first stop is, of course, the main attraction, the beach. Port Dover's beach is famous for its soft sand and clear waters, perfect for a summer day. Whether you're looking to relax in the sun, swim in the lake, or even try some water sports, this beach truly has it all. Walking down the pier, you get a stunning view of Lake Erie and the historic Port Dover lighthouse. It's a great spot for photos and simply taking in the beautiful scenery. And what's especially interesting is that if you're visiting on Friday the 13th, you'll see the town come alive with bikers from all over. It's a tradition that started in 1981 and has grown into a huge event. But even on regular days, the beach and the pier are always buzzing with activity.
Give back alive. Huh? I just wanted that they get back alive. They get back up? Back alive. Yeah. Because then the day after in the water, right? You got the professional job, you are open crazy.
As you can see here, there is a monument that was created in the memory of the hard-working fishermen that worked here at Lake Erie. Now, after all of that beach time, you're bound to be hungry. Port Dover has some amazing spots to eat and great restaurants. After a great meal, make sure to take a stroll through the town. Port Dover has some wonderful shops, boutiques, and even art galleries. It's a perfect place to find unique gifts and souvenirs. And if you're into history, make sure to visit the Port Dover Harbor Museum. It's small, but packed with fascinating stories about the town's maritime past. Thank you for joining me on this trip to Port Dover. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future adventures. And if you've been to Port Dover, let me know your favorite spots in the comments below. See you in the next video.
Right.